Hi, Nathaniel from Z Innovations here, and today we'll be doing an install on the new Z Innovations Silverado center console lid wireless charger. So in the box you'll receive your wireless charger, your wireless charger mat, your factory integration harness and a cable tie. Tools you'll need for this job is a trim tool or flathead screwdriver and a T15 screw driver. Okay, so now we'll be going through the steps on how to install this. So the first thing you'll do is remove the rubber trim from the top of the center console. Next step will be to open the center console, compress down on the latch. Using your trim tool, remove the bottom cover. Your third step will be to remove the rear rubber cup holder trims from the center console. Under that you'll find a T15 screw. You'll need to unscrew that. Just put the screw aside so you don't lose it. Now remove the top trim from the center console. Now going around to the back of the center console, you'll see a screw, another T15 screw at the top of the center console. Unscrew that. Again, put the screw somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Now, two hands grip the outside of the rear of the center console and unclip from the car. Now what you need to do is you don't need to unplug anything. The only thing we're going to find is the rear cigarette point. Now you'll see a red clip there. Clip that up and then compress on the plug and pull that out from the rear of the cigarette lighter. Now you'll plug in your new harness. Using the plugs, just plug them in and then feed through the wire. The next step now will be to close your center console lid. Now you need to feed through the wire from the rear of your wireless charger through one of the holes as shown in what we're doing right now. So now that we've fed that through, make sure the wire's away from the charger element. Feed that through down next to the hinge and plug that into the harness supplied with the charger. Now you can reinstall the back center console. So click all that back in, make sure wires are clear of the AC ducts, reinstall your T15 screw. We won't put the top of the center console back on straight away, we're just going to leave that aside for now. Now that we've fed through the cables, everything's lined up, we'll now flip the charger over, remove the tape, and we'll now stick that down onto the factory trim. Put a little bit of force on there, give it a few minutes. Now we're going to reinstall the base or the back cover on the center console. Click all that back in, make sure to compress the top hinge. And now the second last step is with the cable tie supplied, we're going to feed that down next to the hinge and tighten the cable tie to keep it out of the way. The very last step now is to reinstall the center console top where the cup holders are. Reinstall the T15 screw and then put the rubber mat holder back in, and now your charger's fully installed. So you'll have an off and on button at the back of the unit to turn it off and on. We advise you to always have it off when you're not using it, as it will be drawing current constantly and can drain your battery, and also the unit will get hot. So now you've got your wireless charger installed. Turn it off and on, easy, put your phone in there, fits all devices. It's a multi-stage charger from 15 fast charge, and it will drop down to a 5. There you go. So thanks for purchasing the product and supporting us. Would also like to thank Upgrade Studio for letting us install this at Upgrade Studio, our Queensland installers. If you have any questions, shoot us a message on Facebook or via email through the website and we'll be happy to answer it. Thank you.